Hello students, how are you all? I hope everyone fine. In last class we started to learn the new chapter known as straight line. We learned what I mean by slope, right? Maybe you remember, if a line makes an angle theta with the positive direction of x-axis, then slope of that line is tan theta. Alva, slope is a real number. And also we learned one formula which will be very useful to find out slope of a line joining 2 points. If you know the 2 points on the line x1, y1 and x2, y2, what we got in the last class, slope of line joining 2 points is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. We derived, okay, that formula for acute angle. So today I am going to show you, okay, the same formula we can have for the angle which is more than 90 degrees, the obtuse angle, okay. So same heading, so I am just going to derive now for obtuse angle. Obtuse angle, see, diagram will be like this. So hೀಗೆ ಬರ್ದಿದಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ನೆನಪಿದೆಯಲ್ವಾ ಅದು acute angle here. So now I'll take the 2 points like this, okay, A and B. A is x1 y1, B is x2 y2. So this is a line, okay. Now if you extend this line, if I extend this line, this makes an angle theta with the opposite direction of x-axis, and that theta is an obtuse angle. That theta is an obtuse angle. So construction I am not going to write. The same construction which, okay, you should follow. Maybe remember AL, BM, then BN. Nempide construction I am not going to write it. So this is this is y-axis. Idenagate x1 alva. This distance is x1 because x coordinate of this. Okay, this will be x2. Idella bek. I hope you know that. Okay, this will be x2. This will be y1, the y coordinate of the point. This will be y2, and you know this is equal to this. This is equal to this. If this is theta, idenagate 180 minus theta. Idu 180 minus theta adre idenagate 180 minus theta, right? This is 90 degree. Idella construction ನೆನಪಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? So last class acute angle ಇದೇ ತರ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. So now I'm not going to write any construction. I'm just going to show you how to get that angle slope is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So follow this diagram from triangle ABN. From triangle ABN. From triangle ABN, you can observe. See, this is angle theta now. The angle. So tan of 180 minus theta. Tan of 180 minus theta is opposite. Tan theta definition, you know, opposite by adjacent. AN by BN. What is tan of 180 minus theta? Minus tan theta. Did you agree with me? Tan of 180 minus theta is minus tan theta. AN, E distance. Yeah, AN is equal to AL minus NL. Did you agree with me? AN is equal to AL minus NL. Correct? Very good. BN is equal to LM. BN is equal to LM. Correct? Sari alva? Ha. Now this is equal to AL, you know, AL andre y1. NL is also equal to BM. NL is equal to BM. BM, you know, y2. This LM can be written as OM minus ON. LM is equal to OM minus OL. OL. So now this is equal to y1 minus y2 divided by x2 minus x1, and this is equal to minus tan theta. But we want tan theta to get the slope. So this implies tan theta ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳಿ, ಈ ಮೈನಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡುವ? ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ಗೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡುವ. ವೈ ವಿ ನೀಡ್ y2 minus y1, ನಾಟ್ y1 minus. ಮೈನಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ಗೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. And you know that theta is the angle made by the line with the positive direction of x-axis. Alva, this theta is an angle made by the line with the positive direction of x-axis. So what does this represent? Slope. Therefore slope is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? Even same formula will work for obtuse angle also. It's same thing will work for obtuse angle. OB, not A, sorry. obtuse angle. It works, same formula, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 work for the same, okay, obtuse angle also. Diagram work ನೋಡಿದಿರಲ್ವಾ, so diagram ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದಲ್ವಾ, so explanation here. So you may get an exam, ಯಾವ ತರ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, find the slope of the line joining 2 points for acute angle and obtuse angle, or even if the question is asked, find the slope of the line joining 2 points, if for 5 marks, ಅಲ್ಲಿ correct ಆಗಿ mention ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ರು, if it is asked for 5 marks, you should write this as well as the previous one. So totally you remember slope of line joining 2 points is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Artha aita? So we have one more derivation now. Now I am going to find angle between two lines. See, you lower class geometry ಮಾಡಿದಿರಿ, device use ಮಾಡಿ angle between two lines and find out ಮಾಡಿದಿರಿ. Now without using any device, we can find out the angle between two straight line using slope. Using slope concept or using this concept, we can find out angle between two lines. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? So angle between two lines. Next heading, angle between two lines. Angle between two lines. We are going to solve. We are going to find out angle between two straight lines. See, as I told here, the given informations are slopes, nothing else. Okay, so observe carefully. Construction is as follows. Consider two straight lines L1 and L2 with slope m1 and m2 respectively. Consider two straight line L1 and L2 with the slope m1 and m2 respectively, like this. Let it be L1, this is L2. Okay, so careful, agree, it should not cut y-axis. Cut the paragla, but you complicate the diagram. So let it be, okay, it should not cut y-axis. Okay, right? Yeah. Now let theta 1 and theta 2 be two angles made by the lines L1 and L2 with positive direction of x-axis respectively. Let theta 1 and theta 2 two angles made by the lines L1 and L2 with the positive direction of x-axis respectively. So L1 illidalva, this is theta 1. So this is theta 2, L2 idu bar idagalla, positive direction of x-axis theta 2. So idu theta 2 adre enagutte hele, yes, 180 minus theta 2. Now let theta be an angle, let theta be an angle between two lines. Let theta be an angle between two lines. So I will consider the required angle as theta. Now you can observe here, this is a triangle, right? This is a one triangle, maybe not right angle triangle, not an issue, triangle, right? So now therefore, since it is a triangle, theta 1 plus theta 180 minus theta 2 is equal to enagutte, sum of the three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So idaru cancel agutte. We need theta is equal to theta 2 minus theta 1. Theta is equal to theta 2 minus theta 1. Artha aita? Now this implies tan theta enagutte hele, this implies tan theta is equal to tan of theta 2 minus theta 1. I took tan on both sides. I hope you know the formula for tan of x minus y. What is tan of x minus y? Tan theta 2 minus tan theta 1 divided by 1 plus tan theta 2 into tan theta 1. Correct alva? Now observe carefully. If m1 and m2 are the slopes made by the line with the slope of the two lines, if m1 and m2 are the slope of two lines and theta 1, theta 2 are the angles made by the line with the positive direction of x-axis and x-axis respectively, then what is tan theta 2? It is nothing but slope of the second line, and another m2. What is tan theta 1? Slope of the first line, and what is that? m1 divided by 1 plus m1 into m2. Correct? So theta is equal to, okay, tan theta is equal to, tan theta is equal to, see, now we need acute angle barbekadre tan theta positive agbeku. So I'll use a modulus sign, m2 minus m1 divided by 1 plus m1 m2, but usually we remember this as a m1 minus m2 divided by 1 plus m1 m2. This is also right because we keep the modulus sign outside the expression. Why we are using modulus sign? Okay, modulus sign is used, remember this, modulus sign, modulus is required, information required to get acute angle, acute angle. Question usually find acute angle antale keltare, so modulus sign irutte. So because of modulus sign, m2 minus m1 ana ulta madare enagala because minus sign does not come out. So please remember that tan theta is equal to modulus of m1 minus m2 divided by 1 plus m1 m2. Ide formula no second PUC alli use ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. So very important information. So please remember that angle between two straight lines you can find out using this formula, tan theta equal to modulus of m1 minus m2 divided by 1 plus m1 m2. So very important derivation, exam alli keltare, derive angle between two straight lines. ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಡಿರೈವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. tan theta ಬರುತ್ತೆ, tan theta ಬಂದ್ಮೇಲೆ theta ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು? ಸೊ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಡಿರೈವೇಶನ್. ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಯು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್. ಸರಿಯಾ? Now I will give you one information, very important information that we can obtain now from the previous derivation. Okay, so I'll give you this as a note 1 and 2. Very important information, please remember that. The first note, if two lines are parallel, then can you guess or can you tell me what may be the relationship between their slopes? If two lines are parallel, then can you tell me what may be the relationship between their slopes? Okay, so I'll show you what will happen if two lines are parallel. If two lines are parallel, if two lines are parallel like this, okay, now what is slope of this and this? Okay, so this is L1 with the slope m1, this is L2 with slope m2. What is the angle between them? What is the angle between them? What is the angle between them? Yeah, angle between them is 0 alva. Yeah, there is no angle between the two parallel lines, so angle between them is 0. Correct? So therefore what will happen? Theta is equal to 0 degree. Alva, theta is equal to 0 degree. So this implies tan theta enagate, tan theta will be, tan 0 will be 0 alva. So therefore which will be 0? Modulus of m1 minus m2 divided by 1 plus m1 into m2 will be 0. Idu yavag 0 agodu? This implies m1 is equal to m2. Okay, so maybe you understood now what is the relation between their slope. If two lines are parallel, then their slopes are equal. Alva, then slopes are equal and their slopes are equal. So please remember this information. If two lines are parallel, then their slopes are equal. Reason is here. This is a reason. Two lines are parallel iddre enagate, angle between them is 0. Angle 0 adre tan theta is equal to 0. So tan theta 0 adre ee expression 0. Ee expression yavag 0 agodu? Numerator equal to m1 equal to m2 idag alva. Idu 0 adre numerator 0 adre whole thing will be 0. That's it. So please remember that two lines are parallel, then slopes are equal. If two lines are parallel, slopes are equal, and even converse is also true. If two slopes are equal, definitely lines must be parallel. Artha aida? Second note, if two lines are perpendicular, then I'll not write the answer, I'll just write the reason first. Okay, if two lines are perpendicular like this is L1, this is L2 with the slope m1 and with the slope m2, and angle between them is, if two lines are perpendicular, angle between them is 90 degree, andre theta is equal to 90 degree. Theta 90 degree ಆದರೆ tan theta ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Yes, does not exist. Correct? So this implies modulus of m1 minus m2 divided by 1 plus m1 into m2 is equal to infinity or does not exist. What I mean by infinity, or how we can understand? You can understand this as a 1 by 0. ಅಂದರೆ denominator 0 ಆದಾಗ the expression will be not exist or does not exist. So denominator 0 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? This implies 1 plus m1 into m2 is equal to 0. So this implies m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. m1 into m2 equal to minus 1. So if two lines are perpendicular, then their product of slope, then their product of slopes, okay, is equal to minus 1, is equal to minus 1. So please remember, if two lines are perpendicular, then their product of slopes is equal to minus 1, right? m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. So please remember, m1 equal to m2 ಆದರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Two lines are parallel. If two lines are perpendicular, their product of slope is equal to minus 1. Very important information, please remember. Okay, even converse is true. If the product of slope is equal to minus 1, then two lines must be perpendicular. Remember that two lines must be perpendicular. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? So in derive ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು first obtuse angle condition for the slope of line joining two points, that is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Angle between two straight lines, tan theta is equal to modulus of m1 minus m2 divided by 1 plus m1 m2, as well as to very important information. So please remember that. Artha aitalva? So theory part in the beginning of the straight line is over. Now we are going to solve problem from exercise. Correct? Okay. So we are going to solve problem from first straight lines, the concept which we learned up to now. So in the beginning you will get some problem which is maybe from the 10th standard work, distance formula, section formula problems quotier exercise ali. We will discuss that first, then we will move to the problem based on this concept. So first question is as follows: the base of an equilateral triangle, the base of an equilateral triangle with side to A lies along the y-axis, such that the midpoint of the base is at the origin. Find the vertices of the triangle. Find the vertices of the triangle. Find the vertices of the triangle. Artha aita? So read the question again. First question in the exercise: the base of an equilateral triangle with the side 2a lies along the y-axis such that the midpoint of the base is at the origin. Find the vertices of the triangle. So ee problem solve ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ first ಈ problem ಅದೊಂದು diagram ಬರೀಬೇಕು. So diagram ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So base of an equilateral triangle with the side 2a lies along the y-axis. ಅಂದ್ರೆ y-axis ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. Such that the midpoint of the base is at the origin. So idu base agirbodu. So ee distance same agirbeku. Okay, this distance same. So third, okay, this is a one vertex, no doubt in that. This is another vertex. So where must be third vertex? It must be on this side, or maybe, okay, higu barbodu, ee side barbodu. Maybe you will get two triangle. So this is the two possibility. We am just guessing. Okay, ee tara barbodu anta guess ಮಾಡಬೇಕು first. Okay. So I'll name this as A. So this is A, this is B, this is C. So we have to find out ABC, coordinates of ABC. Now ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ information ಏನು? This distance is 2a. We know that this distance is 2a. Or not only this, since it is an equilateral triangle, all this distance are 2a only. Correct? Now this is a midpoint. Origin is a midpoint. So this distance should be A, because the whole distance is A, 2A, so A origin is a midpoint, so this distance must be A. Then so that immediately you can write, because of this, therefore B is equal to 0 comma A. Why it is 0 comma A? It is a point on the y-axis with height is equal to A, so this should be 0 comma A, alva. So what are the coordinates of C? C is equal to 0 comma minus A, 0 comma minus A. ಈ height A ಆದರೆ ಇದೇನಾಗಬೇಕು 0 comma minus A. Did you agree with me? I hope you understood. Yes. Now the remaining thing is to find out the coordinates of A. Coordinates of A ಬರಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಈ height ಬೇಕು. ಈ height ಗೊತ್ತಾದ್ರೆ problem solve. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? So ಈ height find out ಮಾಡೋದು ಹೇಗೆ? Next work is depending on how to get the height of this triangle, or this height ಅಲ್ವಾ? So triangle ಅನ್ನು ಹೀಗೆ ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಇಟ್ರೆ this is height, this is, we know this is A, this is also A, this is also 2A, so this height is required. ನೀವು ಹೇಗೆ find out ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, using area formula ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, Pythagoras theorem ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, so you can find out using any method. So what is the area of equilateral triangle formula? Area of equilateral triangle is root 3 by 4 into side square. Alva, easily you can find out this. That is root 3 by 4 side and then 2A ಅಂದ್ರೆ 4A square ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 4 cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, so it is root 3 into A square. This is area. Area can be found out using another method also. You know, area is also equal to area is also equal to half into base into height. Area is also equal to half into base into height. So area is known, root 3 A square, half. Base is also known, base in the full length 2A. Height is required, alva, let it be h. Ee height ana h anta consider ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ. So ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 2 cancel, 1A also cancel. So root 3 into A equal to h, alva, remaining is A h only. So height is equal to root 3 into A. Height is equal to root 3 into A. So ಇದು ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಈ ಸೈಡು ಆಗ್ಬೋದು. So third vertex, therefore A is equal to root 3 into A comma 0. ಇದು 1, or A is equal to minus root 3 into A comma 0. ಎರಡು ಆಗೋ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. So base same vertex. Okay, this is one set of the answer. This is one set of the answer. B is equal to 0 comma A and 0 comma minus A. These two vertex will be common for both triangle, and one possible triangle is for this. Okay, the root 3 into A comma 0. This is also possible, minus root 3 into A comma 0. So three vertices of the triangles are minus root plus or minus root 3 into A comma 0 and 0 comma A and 0 comma minus A. Then ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟ್ ಲೈನ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಟು ಚೆಕ್ ವೆದರ್ ಯು ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ದ 10th ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇನ್ ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ ಜಿಯೋಮೆಟ್ರಿ ದಿಸ್ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಸ್ ಗಿವನ್. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ಒನ್ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್, ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಯು ಮೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸಮ್ ಅದರ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಇಟ್, ನೋ ಡೌಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಸೈಸ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಇನ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.